Hello guys, so today I'm gonna unbox this Craftsman product from Lowe's, and as you can see I purchased from Lowe's and the prices are $100 for all of them. Here I have two of them plus two batteries and one charger and a duffel bag. So let's begin. Nice. I have like 3 years of warranty or all of them, and this is a lithium battery. Okay, so just I want to leave it for now and let's open this. All of them are $100, so I believe they're huge. Maybe it's a Black Friday deal up until December, end of the December. So this is the charger. You can charge any battery. Okay, so here I wanted to just share. So this is 2 milliamp hour battery and this is 4, but they are almost same. You can also charge this one with any Craftsman product. So just I wanted to show you. It's very good condition. So I have here two and two batteries. Those two are almost similar as these. It has also came with manual for two of them separately. It's a great deal for $100. This everything here you can see is $100, and you can also use this battery for all of them. That's no problem. And let's just charge one of the battery and see how this works. As you can see, it's charging right now, and now I'll be disconnecting now. Okay, and you can also check the charge. How much charge do I have? So you can see I don't have much charge. And let's check this one. You don't have enough charge too. So I'm gonna have to charge them, and before that I wanna it's very nice sound, brand new. Okay, it has like lights here, over here too. Great grip, and if you want you can put a holder here if you want to. But this one I'm gonna use this. So okay. So if I use this with that to clean or detail, I can put a lot of pressure on it. To use this one, you just pull it, okay, very fast. Okay, use it was wide open, so I need to let's make it here. I need to slow down. It's easy, and I like it, and I'll share my thoughts and buy it. I bought it from Lowe's. I paid only $100 for all of them again. $100. Great product, and thank you so much.